Morning. Some you probably haven't seen me in a while because nothing happens and I've been anxious. So, today, let me get close. Today, my Causebox showed up, and if you didn't know, Causebox is a quarterly subscription box similar to FabFitFun, except they focus on using sustainable and fair trade brands. And I just got it like 10 minutes ago and I was excited, so I have not really left my bed. I am still in my pajamas and I have barely brushed my hair today, but let's open it anyway. I have been waiting for this for a while, but right now is not exactly the time to be judging companies on their shipping speeds. But they come with a little magazine pamphlet that tells you about the products you got and different ways to use them. And I opened it a little bit because I was excited. But first thing I got, which I was very excited about, is this Pixie Mood vegan leather handbag, because I want to switch out my backpack for something a little bit smaller. And it is completely cruelty-free. It is vegan leather, and there is a coupon code for 15% off your next purchase from Pixie Mood. But everybody got one of these. Everybody that got this month's box. You could either get brown, white, or black, and then annual subscriptions got to choose which one they got. And it has this little shoulder strap. There we go. So it's got a shoulder strap, it's got a magnetic clasp at the top, and then there's a little pocket in front and a zipper pocket that's bigger inside. And their lining is apparently made out of recycled water bottles. And there's two little pockets inside the big pocket. What's this? Oh. I think it's supposed to be like one of those silica packets, except this one's recyclable. And silica packets are not. But I'm very happy with that. And it's the perfect size to downsize my purse. I wonder, can you see that in the background? There we go. That looks nice. Or not. There. Okay. The next thing is they come with a little postcard, which is really cute. It has the same kind of art as the box. Whatever. Okay, so these are from the company Artisan Direct. They are a set of 5 sustainable grocery bags made in India. And this tie is very cute. And they are 100% cotton, so we've got a small mesh produce bag, a medium mesh produce bag, 2 non-mesh non-produce bags, like bulk bags, and a large mesh produce bag. So I think I'm gonna put this with my little grocery bags, like shopping bag, and then I won't forget them, hopefully, when I go shopping and need them. Next is actually kind of why I subscribed, because at the time I was taking JJ to school every day, and I'd pack my lunch. And at the time, I thought when this arrived, I'd still be taking JJ to school and needing to pack my lunch, and then the world ended. But this is the Bentco lunchbox. So, we've got a lid, a strap, a cutlery set that fell out of their slots. You go first. One moment while I figure this out. So a little cutlery set, and it's got a spoon, a knife, and a fork. And we've got a separated one and a full one. And so what it's supposed to do is you take the big one, put the knife and fork thing on it, take the little one, put that on top of those, except it doesn't fit. These flip. What am I doing wrong? Where's my picture? What if you're down? No, you're both down. There we go. Kind of. That's kind of odd. Doesn't fit very well. And then you put the lid on. Right? Yeah. And my backwards. This would be awkward to do if there was actually food in there. And then you're supposed to put the strap This is actually kind of a really awkward lunchbox. Strap on top to hold it all together. And this is dishwasher and microwave safe. Let's see. Okay. So the next thing in here, I'm still filming, right? Is a calm mood mist. And it says It is a gentle, natural way to enhance your mood through aromatherapy. Ooh, nice glass bottle. It's pretty cold. I thought it would be clear, but it's not, and I forgot to show you like everything. So, 1 second, let me show you the other things. That was bad. But it says on the back, it says, "In the spirit of all things good." It's like lavender scented. Maybe it'll help me sleep. Who knows? This is the Earth Harbor Aqua Aura Reparative Eye Cream. And when you open it, it says dive into glowing skin. I don't know if you can read that. This is what it looks like. It is green. It says it has seaweed in it. Smells interesting. It looks half empty. I'm hoping. Ugh, it just got under my nail. I'm hoping it's just because it's been knocked around in transit. I'm not sure about that one. Okay. Let's see. Let's find it in the magazine. Oh yeah, and with the things I've said before, the grocery bags everybody got, as well as the mood mist and the eye cream. The Bentico box everybody got, but Annual got to choose which color they got. So it was this cloud gray. There was also a blush pink or a sunflower yellow. I'm very happy I got the gray and not the yellow. So next, we have this necklace. It says it was exclusively designed for Causebox and handmade in Colombia. This necklace was proudly and ethically made by members of a vulnerable population in Medellin in safe working conditions and compensated justly under a fair payment policy for labor. So this one, it's a layered necklace, and everybody got to choose between this or a, not everybody, Annual got to choose between this or a eyelash conditioner and mascara. I didn't really mind either way, but I'm happy with this. This is what the necklace looks like. I'm not sure if you can see it. It's just a basic layered necklace. Let's see how the length is because I don't like really long necklaces. So that's on the shortest extension because I hate long necklaces. If they go like past, most of the time the top of my shirt is here. So if they go past that, I hate it. And this one, if it was just the top necklace, would be absolutely perfect. The bottom one is kind of dancing on the line of too long, but let's see. Okay. And then the last thing in here is the 13-week Simple Self 13-week wellness planner. Achieve more and live better through radical self-care. So I am very happy I got this because the other option was a bandana. I did not want a bandana when I can get a wellness planner. And Annual got to choose which one they got. So this is what it looks like. These little letters are raised. And let's see. So it looks really interesting. It is a very basic planner just to help you keep track of yourself, kind of, as it's a self-care planner. But yeah, I think it's really cool. So we shall go through that. And that is everything I got in the box. I'm very happy with this. I want to keep subscribing. I'm not sure if I will be able to subscribe for summer, depending on when I get my job back. But we shall see if the world explodes. And on that note, I will